In this video, we solve a problem based on performance parameter. In this problem, we consider a question during test of a single cylinder 4-stroke oil engine. The following result were obtained: bore 20 cm, stroke 40 cm, mean effective pressure 6 bar, torque 410 Newton meter, speed 900 rpm, oil consumption 10 kg per hour, CV means calorific value 4300 kilojoule per kg. Then calculate IP means indicated power, BP means brake power, and brake thermal efficiency. First of all, we write a given data. First, bore means diameter of cylinder 20 centimeter, and convert into a meter means 0.2 meter. Then stroke L equal to 40 centimeter, converted into meter 0.4 meter. Then mean effective pressure 6 bar, converted into Newton meter means 6 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Next, speed N equal to 900 rpm. Then oil consumption या mass of fuel, this is equal to 10 kg per hour, and torque, this is equal to 410 Newton per meter, calorific value 43000 kilojoule per kg. First of all, we find out the indicated power. IP. Indicated power formula: IP equal to mean effective pressure, area of cylinder, length of the cylinder means a stroke, and N. This is for 2-stroke engine. And for 4-stroke engine, IP equal to PM AL N by 2. This is 4-stroke engine. That's why we use this formula. We put all the values. First of all, brake mean effective pressure. Brake mean effective pressure 6 into 10 ka power 5. Area pi by 4. Bore means 0.2 ka square. Length means the stroke 0.4 into N 900. A value of N is in speed in RPM. We convert into a RPS means divided by 60 into and 1 by 2. In IP, this value is in we find this value in watt, and for converting in kilowatt we divided it 1000. We calculated this values in calculator. We find out 56.52 kilowatt. Then second, we calculate brake power. Means BP equal to 2 pi N T. Putting the value 2 pi, N means 900, and also we convert RPM into RPS, and T is a torque value is 410. After calculating this value, we find out in watt, and if convert into kilowatt, we divided 1000. After calculating, BP is find out 38.22 kilowatt. First of all, we find out a IP value, which is our first answer. Then BP, this is our second answer. And last, brake thermal efficiency. Brake thermal efficiency's formula is BP upon MF into CV. BP value is 38.22 divided by mass of fuel is 10 and CV values is 43000. I know this. BP value is kilowatt and mass of fuel is in gram per hour, and CV value is kilojoule per kg. In below MF into CV, we found a unit kilojoule per hour. This is in kilowatt, this is in kilojoule per hour, and this kg per hour, kilojoule per kg. Kg cancel out, and we find out kilojoule per hour. When we know that kilowatt is a value of kilojoule per second. We know that efficiency is a unitless quantity, but in this case we find out kilojoule per second upon kilojoule per hour. That's why we convert hour to a second. For this correction, we multiply in this formula 3600, and after calculating this, we find out the value 32.33%. Thank you.